going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. I'm finally getting a chance to plant out my tomatoes. It's a cool day, about 70 degrees right now. Let's hop in the garden and get these tomatoes planted. I have 18 tomato plants that I'm planting, and I measured everything out. So there's an 18-inch space in between the whole length of both rows that I'm planting. So here they all are. We'll start it off with the Ponderosa. So basically where every stick is, that's where I want the stem of the plant at. I don't know if you can still see, I got very firm clay soil. So last year I did this planting lay down method and it worked out very well. Worm castings. And then this year I'm going to do the Florida weave method for trellising the tomatoes. So let's keep going. Now, as you can see, some of them are at different stages. This one was probably getting a little shaded out from some of the other tomatoes. So, Ponderosa, Hamson, Rutgers, and then the other Hamson's going to go right behind me. Ooh. So what I'm doing is I'm getting as close to the stem as I can without damaging it, and cutting off these longer leaves. All these little hairs actually have a chance to become roots, so then they'll absorb more nutrients and water for the plant. So another thing, I don't know if you can see it from there, what I'm trying to do is get the soil right up against the stem and then cover it completely, add the worm castings, and then once I'm done, I'm going to water everything in. One other thing I need to be concerned with or aware of is that I continue to plant these tomato plants all in the same line. So when I go to do the weave, I'll be zigzagging and then coming back through. So if they're off centered, that could go ahead and cause a problem with the Florida weave. So next on the back is going to be Brandywines, and then on the front side, Missouri Pink Love. So by the looks of it, You can tell that these were a little past due for getting in the ground, but we were at 86 degrees for about a week, and then this past weekend we were over 90 for Saturday and Sunday. So as opposed to planting them and watching them shrivel up and get roasted, I figured I'd wait an extra couple days, let the temperature cool off, so then hopefully they do well once playing it in the ground. Kind of figured out a little trick here. I'm actually planting the base a little bit more sideways, because when I was planting it long ways, they were almost touching because of how long they are. And I'm hoping with time this starts to get better, this clay soil. I'm gonna go cherry and then the yellow pear. Pretty cool little worm right by the cardboard. Let me get over here so I can see it. Oh, of course you dropped it. That right there is the reason why I put the cardboard down. That would have been whatever weed plant growing, but that cardboard prevented it from taking root and taking over the garden. Okay, home stretch, last two. I got the Cherokee Purple. 1, 2. And then I saved seeds from a tomato from last year, but I got no clue what it is. So this is going to be my surprise. So this is something I was looking at for the other ones. See how this branch is very close to the soil? I don't want it getting any issues, so I'm snipping that, and it still has plenty of good leaves on it to get it growing quick again. Don't know what the heck this was, but that's the reason why I put the cardboard over top. Okay, last one. Whoa! Highly recommend these Fiskars little snips. Well, everybody, thank you for watching. Have a great day.